How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be starting a mini series on Python for beginners, where I'll cover some of the basic concepts and I'll give you the necessary tools to start creating. Saying this, in this video I'll show you guys what program I'll be using and how to download it. Just a disclaimer, since this series is intended for beginners, if you already know how to use Python, there is a chance that you already know this stuff. But you're still invited to watch in case you learn something new or you just want to practice. So now, let's stop the rambling and get on with it. So the program I'll be using throughout the course is called Spyder. To download it, you'll first need to open up your browser. Then you'll type Anaconda Navigator download. Open the first link, and then you'll scroll down until you find the section that says Anaconda installers, and you'll install whichever program corresponds to your device. In my case, that would be macOS. Preferably, you should install the first one. Now that you've installed Anaconda, you'll want to open it by pressing this little icon below. I've already opened Anaconda for the sake of time. And then there's a bunch of boxes which are apps, but for now we'll just worry about Spyder. So you'll press launch here in the upper right corner. And it might take a bit of time at first. And now it should open. And you'll see a screen similar to this, and now you should be ready to go. So in my next video I'll explain how to use Spyder and we'll actually start to do some code. For this video I just wanted to help you set up everything so you didn't have to worry about that later. Saying that, if you are interested in more videos, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure I answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.